You guys, let's talk about something really important. Maintaining your hard-earned weight loss. Congratulations on crushing your goals. You've stepped up, put in the work, and now you're here. You should be so proud of yourself. But this, my friends, this is not the end. Consider this the beginning of an even more empowering chapter. Because let's face it, keeping the weight off, that's where the real magic happens. It's about transforming your lifestyle one step at a time and embracing the journey of continuous growth and self-discovery. This isn't a time for modesty. You've earned the right to celebrate every victory. Hit a goal? Awesome! Own it! Acknowledge your strength and commitment. It's this positive energy that will fuel your journey ahead. Sustainable change doesn't happen overnight. It's about making small, healthy choices consistently. Ditch the crash diets and embrace a lifestyle that nourishes your body and mind. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. Find activities you genuinely enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Walk, dance, hike, bike, whatever gets you moving. Tune into your hunger cues. Eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're satisfied. Don't let emotions dictate your eating habits. This mindful approach will prevent overeating and keep you feeling your best. Focus on balanced meals packed with nutrient-rich foods. Lean protein, healthy fats, whole grains. These are your new best friends. Avoid processed junk and sugary drinks like they're the plague. They are. Hydration is key, people. Carry a water bottle everywhere you go and make it a habit to sip throughout the day. Water curbs cravings, boosts your metabolism, and keeps everything running smoothly. Regular check-ins are crucial. Monitor your weight, track your food intake, and be honest with yourself about your progress. This keeps you aware and allows you to make adjustments as needed. Cultivate a positive mindset and focus on your achievements. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Celebrate your milestones with healthy rewards. Buy yourself a new workout outfit, get a massage, or enjoy a weekend getaway. You deserve it. Connect with others on the same journey, join a support group, find a workout buddy, or share your story online. Together, we're stronger. You've got the tools, the knowledge, and the power to make this last. Remember, this is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Share your own maintenance tips in the comments below and join our weight loss maintenance group for daily motivation. Keep pushing, keep growing, and never stop believing in yourself. You've got this.